How to use anti-detection in AG AutoClicker, best AutoClicker application. Now to use it, just open the AG AutoClicker like this. Now here, wait for it to open. Now slide down till you reach the anti-detection. Here, slide down till you reach it like this. Here in the anti-detection is where you can set the clicker target click. Now turn the anti-detection on like this. Now here, click on the edit. Here in the edit down section, you see it. Now click on it like this. Now set the random click range by dragging this toggle, which means the range you want the clicker target to reach. Now you see it. Also set the random action click interval, which means the speed you want the action click to be clicking or the target click to be clicking like this. You see it. Set it. Now after setting it, what you do is just click on this save icon here to save it. Now after changing it, now to test if it works, now to test how it works, now go slide up, click this start icon here. Click watch video if you have not subscribed for the premium version to unlock all the features, or just click on this cancel to go straight to the feature like this. Now as you can see, now select any feature like the click you want to use here. Now click on it, then click on this start icon here. As you can see, I've selected it. Anti-detection work in order to make it not to click anywhere except the range you set it. Now to know how it works, just go to the application where you want to use it like this. Now what you do is just go to the place you want it to be clicking and then know how it works in that range you set it. You see, I set it within this. You see the range is radiating. You see the range, you see it, you see it. So if you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have seen for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And most of all, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Watch this video on the screen in order to know how to use this application, or check the description section in order to find the link to access the playlist and know everything about this AG AutoClick. So see you on the next video. Peace.